Welcome to AI.cast episode 3 to follow the drumbeat of AI in customer foresight. I am Anthony Drzansky, CEO of Codento, your AI.cast host and a seasonal cover band drummer. Did you know that one of 4 marketers already consider customer lifetime value to be one of their top marketing metrics? And did you know which customers bring the most money, why, and how you can retain them? In this episode of Codento's AI.cast, you will hear about optimizing your bottom line by using easy tools for assessing the true value of your customers during their entire journey with your business. And the tips will come from Codento and from our customers, the number 1 Finnish e-commerce platform, Verkkokauppa.com. We, Codento, are leading Nordic Google partner. We work with our customers to bring better business to them with Google data and AI capabilities. One of the tools here are understanding their customer lifetime value, that is CLV, and acting upon it. During the past months, we have gone through more than 250 AI use cases with our customers in our free of charge AI value workshops. In these discussions, we have learned that the scenarios regarding AI-driven customer foresight usually evolve around 2 themes. Understanding your prospects and thereby more efficient customer acquisition, and understanding your clients better and thereby retaining your most valuable customers. Keeping an eye and analyzing the lifetime values of your customers will give you and your organization the understanding to correctly target your acquisition and retention efforts. Here are a few examples of practical CLV application areas that we at Codento have been working on with our customers. Use data to acquire the right customers in the first place. Target the right customers. Gain understanding of your customers' behavior, like how they have moved in your customer base. Predict your customers' next action. Actively attempt to keep your customers, especially the most valuable ones. And understanding customer churn patterns and taking the right action based on that understanding. In today's episode, our data and AI lead Janne Flink will explain the steps that are required to prepare the datasets for AI-powered customer lifetime value. He will also show a customer case example of optimizing customer acquisition and retention with the help of customer lifetime value in a logistics company. Jyrki Tulokas, the Chief Strategy and Technology Officer of Nordic retailer Verkkokauppa.com, will open his insights on the value CLV as a metric. Let's dive into how modern tech can help you bring more money on the bottom line.
Hello all, I'm Janne Flink. I'm a data and AI lead here at Codento, and today I'm going to talk to you about customer foresight, specifically about optimizing your profits. So here what I'm showing you is a case that we did for a customer. Of course, I have anonymized the data, but this is a real customer case that I'm going to show you. When it comes to customer retention, what you want to do first is you want to collect data about your customer touchpoints. So we can start out with just your basic transactional data and kind of seeing who has bought, when have they bought it, and what have they bought. That is like the baseline data that we can start out with. And now from this data, now that we know what our customers are doing and how they are interacting with our brand, we can start analyzing. And now specifically, what can we analyze? We can start with the basic tried and true techniques of RFM, for example. RFM meaning recency, frequency, and monetary value. How often have they bought? How long ago have they bought? And with what monetary value have they bought the product with? And now, from these, we can cluster our customers, so creating customer segments or groups. So mapping out different customers into similarity groups based on these features that I just mentioned. And now from this, we can kind of see that who are our best customers, who were once our best customers but have kind of fallen off, and who are those customers that have bought once and never returned again. And now, of course, what we want to do is we want all of our customers to be in the top group, right? Well, now we have to kind of know that what kind of customers react to what kind of incentives. So how do we get our, let's say, medium level customers into this group of good customers, right? For this, if you don't have the data, what I suggest that you do is you start experimenting. So giving certain customers certain types of treatments. And what do I mean with that treatment? I mean, let's say like a 5% discount, 10% discount, stuff like this, stuff that is relevant to your business and what your customers might want to kind of reactivate. When you have this data, we can analyze it and optimize it so that this kind of a customer group reacts most to this kind of an incentive. This other customer group reacts to this kind of an incentive. So this way, what you're doing is you're preventing churn in your customer base. And what you want to do is you want to analyze these metrics over time so that you get kind of a time series of these customer features. This you can do is you can start mapping out data-based customer paths. So seeing how has the behavior changed in your customer base in these clusters over time. And from this you can get kind of a full holistic view of your customer base. So this is one way of analyzing it. What you can then bring in is this thing called cohort analysis, which is a very simple technique. You basically take the month when a customer has first become your customer, you group them up by month, then you start mapping out the drop-off rate. So how many interacted with your business the next month, and the next, and the next, and so on. So this way you will get your retention rate. And from this you can start seeing that, okay, has your retention rate actually gone up, or has it gone down? And then diving deeper into what kind of clusters, where has it gone up, and where has it gone down? And from that you can start kind of thinking about what kind of incentives should you give each kind of a customer cluster.
Hi, I'm Markku Pulkkinen from Codento. I'm very pleased to have Jyrki Tulokas from Verkkokauppa.com here with me today. Jyrki, customer lifetime value is actually quite a wide concept. It is not only about customer profitability, but actually that it can actually act as a sort of management tool providing necessary metrics and KPIs how to run your company. Any thoughts on using the CLV, i.e. customer lifetime value, within Verkkokauppa.com?
Yeah, I think we had for a long time certain ways of looking at customer segmentation, and now we've been just redoing that with new type of technology. It is key to us, close to 1 million customers, understanding where they are in their, how frequently they actually work with us or purchase with us, and where they're potentially going to. Are they purchasing multiple categories or just one type of product category? Can they be extended to something? What's their... There's many things that we can learn from that. How are they actually coming to the stores to pick up their purchases, or are they delivered to home? What type of customer they're from that perspective? So the customer lifetime value, it is one thing, but broader understanding of the customers is important, because many of these things, how deeply the customer is interacting with them. Again, it's not just about the value per se in euro-wise.
Mm-hmm. Yes, it's once you have built those data sets, and it can actually serve different purposes, like you can analyze your churn data, if that is relevant for your business. You can try to analyze the data to predict what is the next best action, or what is the next best offer to a certain customer.
Inspiring stuff, wasn't it? One of my favorite takeaways was our own Janne's example, so how easy it is to locate the money with the customer lifetime value approach, especially when you use the modern tools of Google Cloud Platform. For now, this was the last of our AI.cast Customer Foresight episodes, which have been especially targeted for sales, marketing, and customer services leaders. If you haven't already done so, I urge you to also listen to our 2 previous episodes of AI.cast with the theme of customer foresight. They concentrated on the value of artificial intelligence for finding the right customers and the use cases of generative AI for smarter marketing, sales, and customer services. Even though that the customer foresight episodes are here for now, don't worry, AI.cast is just getting warmed up, and the second set of episodes is soon here. There, We will be delving into the challenges of operational leaders in organizations like industrial or logistics companies, telecom operators, or others that have, for example, massive service operations to manage. So join us in discussions about smart operations with the help of AI. We will again have exciting guests from Google and from our customers who are leading their field like Fastems and Augmetic. If you have subscribed to AI.cast at Codento.com, you can sit back and relax. We will notify you by email when the next episodes are available. To get started with the most lucrative AI scenarios for your organization, or just to look at your data and the CLV insights that can be drawn from it, book a free AI Valley workshop for customer foresight at Codento.com. But hey, doesn't time fly when you are having fun? So see you soon, and thanks for watching.